Hi everybody, I'm Rachel Astarte. I'm the instructor for TP 120 OL, Transpersonal Psychology, Awakening the Hero Within. I'm really looking forward to this class. The course itself is a beautiful way for us to understand our psyches better, to understand the archetypes that we see in our own lives, in the lives around us, in our clients' lives, in the books we read, in the movies that we watch. So it's going to be a real exciting time for us over the next 5 weeks to really get to know these top 12 archetypes and how they show up. I want you to know that I'm here at any point. If you need to reach out to me, you can reach me through Canvas email or of course on Yellowdig. One thing I want to say about the Yellowdig platform, because it's such a great way for us to have these conversations, is that please feel free to use Yellowdig as a general chat area. Of course, we want to talk about the course and there's a lot to discuss, but feel free to bring in your own personal thoughts about what we're reading or where you see certain archetypes showing up for you that week. For example, maybe a movie you saw, or you're watching a series on Netflix and you're seeing some of these archetypes showing up for you there. Feel free to share any of your dreams. Dreams are extremely helpful to look at as we do this sort of depth psychology work. And Carl Jung was so fascinating as a human being, but also as a psychologist, really looking at the unconscious. And then, of course, this is what these archetypes are, part of our collective unconscious. So there's so much that we're going to learn over the next 5 weeks, and I'm super excited to share that with you. What else? Some of the questions that we're going to answer in the assignments may be a bit tricky. Take your time, don't freak out. They all make sense. One way that I would approach these assignments is to think about them in terms of yourself as a human being, but also think about them in terms of yourself as a practitioner, as a healer. So that will be very helpful for you. Oh, a little bit of background about myself before we close out here. I am a licensed psychotherapist and a life coach, a shamanic practitioner. I'm also a SWIHA graduate, which makes teaching this class even more exciting for me because I was in the same seat as you were not terribly long ago. So really take this course to heart, enjoy it, find yourself in it, and let this be self-exploration for you, because that's how I think this course will really resonate with you. And of course, I'm here to help along the way in any way that I can. Okay, see you in the on Yellowdig, and enjoy the next 5 weeks.